morning, everyone, and welcome to our speed sound lesson for today. No Miss Robinson this week. She is off writing a very important essay for her training degree to become a teacher. Lucky for me, I don't have to do that anymore, so that's good. So we're going to look at a sound today. Remember, we're recapping all our sounds, aren't we? So this is a sound you should already know. Our sound is Brilliant. And if I think of some words that have got our sound in, I can think of nurse. I can think of hurt. And I can think of, what else can I think of? Purse. Brilliant. Right, let's have a look at the rhyme that makes up our sound. Oh, you can see here there's a teddy. It looks like he has suffered a very horrific injury. But not to worry, because there is a nurse here to look after him, and she is holding her purse. So our rhyme is nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. Nurse with a purse. Fantastic. Right, think in your head. Can you think of the two special friends that make up our sound for nurse with a purse? Two letters, one sound. When you see these two letters, U and R, together in a word, they make the special friend sound Fantastic. So our rhyme was nurse with a purse, and this side our sound was Great. Let's see if I can catch you out then. Did I catch you out? Right, I'm going to pop our sounds into our pack of sounds we should already know. And when you see our sound, I want you to point and shout Ready? Off we go. First sound is Did you spot it? Right, it's going back into our pack of sounds. Are you ready? First sound is Fantastic. Well done. Right, one more time. Into the pack it goes. First sound is Fantastic. Right, we're going to pop our sounds down now. Let's have a look at some of our green words that have got our sounds in. Now remember, my turn first. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. So ready, my turn. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word, purse. Your turn. Special friends, Fred talk, read the word lurk. That means to sort of sneak around slowly if you're lurking. Next one, special friends. Fred talk. Read the word burn. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word turn. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word slurp. Oh, I think there's one there. It's all stuck together. Here we go. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Hurl. That means to throw something really far and fast. Right, this time Fred in your head. Ready? My turn first. Fred in my head. Purse. Your turn. Lurk. Well done. Next one. Burn. Turn. Slurp. Hurl. Well done. Right, let's see if we can speedily read our green words. Are you ready? First one is purse. Your turn. Well done. Right, I'm going to put a couple of our words in from, oh gosh, Wednesday, I think it was, if you can remember back that far. So even more of a challenge today to see if you can remember them. Right, are we ready? Off we go. First one is purse. Your turn. Over. Corner. Litter. Well done. Super speedy reading of your green words. That's fantastic. Okay, are you ready? We need to turn our aliens on. Brilliant. Right, remember, aliens definitely need special friends. Fred Talk Read the Words because they're all a load of nonsense. So my turn first. Special friends, Fred Talk, n. Read the word, dern. Your turn. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, perf. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, hern. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, plus. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, sherp. Special friends, Fred Talk. Read the word, churse. Brilliant, and we're back to the beginning. So we can take our aliens off. Me. Excellent. Okay, time to do our spelling part of our speed sound lesson. So can you grab whatever it is you do your spelling with? And when you're ready, hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word slurp? How many? Show me. 4. Excellent. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. S, l, p. Write it down. S, l, p. Write it down. Okay, are we ready to spell the word slurp? So, first sound in slurp is S, which is the letter S. Then we've got L, Remember, our two special friends are U and an R. And then a P. So tick for your S, tick for your L, tick for your special friend, and a tick for your P. If yours doesn't look quite like mine, you can fix it so that it does. Wonderful. Right, next one. Hide your... Oh my goodness, my Apple Watch was going off there. I think he thought I was talking to him, not you. Hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word hurt? Show me how many. 3. Brilliant. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Write it down. You can always pause the video if you need a little more time, but let's have a go at spelling the word hurt. So first sound in hurt is a H, which is a H. Then we've got our special friends, U and R. And our last sound in hurt is a T. T. Super. So tick for your H, tick for your sounds, and a tick for your T. If it doesn't look quite like mine, you can fix it so that it does. Splendid. Right, let's have a think about our 2 review words then. So these are words that have got our sounds in from last week. So have a think what it was. Hide your Fred fingers from me. And how many sounds are in the word litter? How many? Show me how many. 4. Right, let's pinch the sounds together and write them down. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Write it down. Right, you ready for litter? First sound is L, letter L. I, which is an I. Then we've got the sound T, but in litter, it's a special friend. So it's 2 T's together. And then it's our sound E, R, So tick for your L, tick for your I, tick for your T and your T, and a tick for your sound. Well done if you got all of those. Brilliant. Right, last word of the day. Hide your Fred fingers from me. How many sounds are in the word, or which one should I choose? Corner. Good one, corner. How many? Show me how many. 4 again. Right, let's pinch the sounds together for corner and write it down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Or write it down. Or Right, are you ready? Corner. First sound is K, and it's a C for corner. Then there's another special friend, or, which is an O and an R. Then we've got our sound, which is an N, and then our review sound, E, R. Super. So a tick for C, tick for your OR sound, tick for your N, and a tick for your sound. 4 ticks all together. Well done if you got all 4 of those spellings right. But if you need to fix any of them so they look like mine, you can do that now. Brilliant. Right, I have been having a look at a new website called Get Epic. So I have assigned you, if you're in Dragonflies, if you're watching this from Foxes or Otters, and I haven't done that for you, but Mr. Stevens or Miss K might well use this website too in the future. But I have assigned you some books to read. So have a look and see what you think. I hope you enjoy your reading today, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for some more speed sounds. Bye.